For all the classic truck enthusiasts out there, there's a new concept that's bound to catch your attention. Isuzu has just unveiled the Dragon Max, a retro-inspired Restomod based on the 1988 Isuzu TFR midsize truck. With a combination of nostalgic charm and modern technology, the Dragon Max brings a classic into the 21st century, proving that old-school style still has a place in today's automotive world. The Dragon Max is more than just a walk down memory lane. It's a careful reimagining of the TFR, a truck that was a popular choice across various global markets in the late 80s and early 90s. Known by different names in different regions, including the Isuzu Faster, Rodeo, Pickup, and Invader, as well as rebadged versions from Opel, Vauxhall, Holden, and Chevrolet, the TFR was a versatile and well-loved model. The Dragon Max, named after the dragon moniker given to the TFR in Thailand, brings the model back in a bold new form. The truck retains the original TFR body shell, but Isuzu has enhanced it with several key updates that give it a fresh, modern look. The most obvious of these upgrades are the new LED headlights and taillights with a sleek smoked finish, lending the vehicle a more aggressive and contemporary appearance. The matte paint job enhances this modern vibe, while the subtly illuminated grille adds a touch of sophistication. A rear spoiler gives the Dragon Max a sportier edge, and the black 17-inch wheels combined with a lowered suspension give the truck a lowrider stance that's sure to turn heads. In a similar vein to Hyundai's modern updates to retro vehicles like the Heritage Series Grandeur, Isuzu has successfully combined modern tech and styling with a familiar and beloved silhouette. But while the exterior is undeniably eye-catching, it's the upgrades inside the truck that truly make it stand out. Isuzu has gone all out with premium materials inside the Dragon Max. The standard plastic interior has been swapped for luxurious Alcantara upholstery, with carbon fiber trim and leather seat inserts that give the cabin a refined feel. This concept uses the extended cab version of the TFR, known as the Space Cab, which adds extra storage behind the front seats and a decent-sized bed at the back for hauling gear. It's a truck that pays homage to the past but offers the creature comforts and quality you'd expect in a modern vehicle. However, the most impressive changes are under the hood. The Dragon Max is powered by Isuzu's 2.2-liter Max-Force turbo diesel engine, which is the same engine used in the current D-Max and MUX models. In the Dragon Max, this engine has been tuned to produce 217 horsepower and 550 Nm of torque. This is a substantial improvement over the original TFR's engine, which was far less powerful. To put this in perspective, the Dragon Max's engine produces more than double the output of the original TFR's power plant. The power is sent to the rear wheels via a modern 8-speed automatic transmission, which makes driving this retro-inspired truck feel like an effortless and smooth experience. Isuzu has clearly paid attention to the details, ensuring that this vehicle is as much about performance and comfort as it is about style and nostalgia. The Dragon Max was officially revealed at the Bangkok International Motor Show, where it stole the spotlight and drew a lot of attention from enthusiasts and onlookers alike. Isuzu also released a throwback-themed video to accompany the truck's unveiling, which tapped into the nostalgia that fans of classic vehicles are sure to appreciate. This one-off concept is a perfect blend of the past and present, proving that classic design can still be just as relevant today as it was decades ago. The Dragon Max isn't just a tribute to the Isuzu TFR, it's a modern Restomod that demonstrates how automotive brands can revive old classics in fresh and exciting ways.